Hi and welcome. Let's go through some of the most important shortcuts in Windows 10. You can also download a list of shortcuts from the link in the description for the quick reference. So let's start. Press ctrl+shift+N to create a new folder. You can immediately type the name like test folder 1. If you don't want that folder, select folder and delete it with the delete key or undo the whole process by pressing ctrl+z. You can delete the selected item without moving it to the recycle bin first, if you press Shift and Delete. But be careful and use this shortcut only if you are sure that you don't need the file at all. Okay. If you want to rename the folder, select it and press F2 and rename it. To duplicate the folder, select it, press ctrl+c and then ctrl+v to paste it. You can increase the icon sizes by pressing the Ctrl and scroll the mouse wheel. To search for something, press Windows key and start typing. If you have problems with the search bar, if it doesn't work, you can check out the solution in my video up here. Okay, now you can like this video because it's awesome, yeah. If you open a folder and press F11, you will get the full screen view. You can hold the Shift key to open multiple instances of the File Explorer. If you have opened multiple apps or folders, you can switch between them by pressing Alt-Tab. If you hold Alt+Shift and then keep pressing the Tab key, you will go backward. Pretty handy. To close the folder or app, just hit Ctrl+F4. If you have opened a lot of programs and want to see desktop, just hit Windows+D. If you are doing something and you need just to peek at the desktop, press Windows+, You will revert back as soon as you release the Windows key. Select File or Folder and press Alt+Enter to see File Properties. If you want to select all items, press Ctrl+A. Open the Start menu and hold a Ctrl+down or up arrow to resize the Start menu. You can also resize with left and right arrows. If you need to stop some applications, you need to open a Task Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape. If you hold Shift with any arrow key, you will select more than one item. With the Print Screen key, you can take a screenshot. Press Print Screen and then open Paint. And over here, hit Ctrl+V and you will have your screenshot as an image. If you want to take a screenshot of only one part of the screen, press Windows key plus Shift plus S and select which part you want to screenshot. You can open File Explorer if you press Windows key plus E. And Windows key plus I open Settings. If you need to quickly lock your PC or switch accounts, press Windows key plus L. And one useful shortcut is to maximize and minimize the window. To do this, press Windows plus up or down arrow. Hey, why not to play with the Windows? Press and hold the Windows key and use your arrow keys to move the window around. If you need to zoom something, just press Windows plus key and zoom out by pressing Windows key and minus. And this is my list of most useful Windows keyboard shortcuts. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet from the description of this video to have it handy. If this video was helpful to you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.